Hello everyone, this is a short video warning people about dark matter. Um, these are following are statements in favor of dark matter. Distance between celestial bodies is not vast. So this is a first statement is a hypothesis. If you assume that the statement is true, so why no why one does not see dark matter? Because they are dark matter and you can't see. Dead stars, dwarf planets, Earth and Moon might have been dead stars or dwarf planets. Dead celestial systems that lack energy. So just because you look into the sky, there is you don't see stars. Doesn't mean stars are far away. Hypothesis: Sun might have died and got lit again because of celestial impact. Uh, Sun is artificial satellite that gives lights to enable evolution on the planet. So the second statement is a hypothesis. It can be uh, script for a movie or a science fiction novel. First statement is so first statement says that sun lost its energy and a solar system was dark and another planet hit the sun and its sun got its light again. So this is again a hypothesis and it's an interesting one. Moon is artificial satellite to enable prevent Earth from falling into the sun. So this is another hypothesis. You can test it. Sun, Earth, Moon form three very large natural atoms. So this again a hypothesis. So I'm discussing some of the hypotheses uh, in favor of dark matter. Ideas: mesh around planet Earth or rim around planet Earth as protection tool. Seems like a good idea. It's unstable equilibrium. Rotating disk or rotating rim, rotating grid around Earth, orbiting Earth might work. So a rotating rim or rotating grid orbiting Earth uh, might protect Earth from falling dark matter. Terra rim is more appropriate. Terra is a is apocalypse device that is built and stands around the surface of the earth even if earth is hit by an object. So you can form a donut or rim around the earth and you can live inside that rim, and if earth gets hit the rim will not break. So this is interesting. So this can be again a science fiction work. Terra firma is an interesting project. So not to be confused with providing uh, big point that actually refers to space rim. So not to be confused with this, Terra rim is different from space rim. That's what I'm trying to say here. And the space grid. So disclosure: author did not hear of dark matter first, but even though he had heard dark matter, he had to think about rotating mesh rim around the earth to prevent bad things traveling happening to earth. Other ideas stated in this work like reigniting the sun, centrifugal force fall compensation. So something that a space rim that has rotating objects around it can prevent space rim from falling into the earth. Logic behind presence of dark matter. So this presentation talks about logic of why Earth. Terra rim or after Earth. After Earth is a subsurface rim around Earth to guard Earth from falling objects. Thank you. So finally I got a message yesterday that was disgusting. Says nobody cares about your work, and I'm trying to do my job, and I did not like it.